Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I was doing a search on the internet to try to find a picture that would illustrate shortwave radio, and I found this article on Nuts and Bolts, which is a magazine that's been around for years on electronics and gadgets and radios and stuff like that. So, but this is not what this show is about, although I will put a link to this article because it looks like it's a pretty good article about receiving data with a low-cost shortwave radio. Anyway, what I wanted to address is I've gotten a couple of comments over the year that shortwave listening is dead. There's not any stations left, especially any broadcasting in English. And I'm here to tell you that is not the... Why is there an alarm going off? Hold on. Sorry about that. I just got too many gadgets in this room. And this week, my gadgets, my computers, are taking over. They are doing things on their own. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so I got this, one of the comments was there's no English speaking stations anymore. So I thought I would just go check on that. Maybe I missed something. Maybe they all shut down. Well, I used this website, which I've shown you several times, which is short-wave.info, which is a listing of things on shortwave, programs broadcast on shortwave. And right here I said any station broadcasting in English right now. And I'll update it by doing a go. And so look on the map here. Look at all the stations. There must be 50 at least. And then here's the listing down here. Oops, let me go down this way. Come on. Look at all these stations. And there, like I say, we can look at the map here that shows where they're at. And they're all over the world. And this is just the ones broadcasting in English. I think if I select any language, it won't work because there's too many to show. The whole map would just be solid. Let me just try it. I don't think it'll work. I don't think it'll. Yeah, see, it gives me it gives me a pop-up here. I can't show that. There's too many of them, so pick a language. So again, I'm going to pick English, which is down here someplace, or any other language, and say go. And this is just the ones broadcasting right now at 1930 UTC. So they're out there. They may be hard to receive. We're in the solar cycle minimum, which means propagation is not good, with exceptions, of course. That's the thing. I think somebody had pointed out that just because it's solar minimum doesn't mean you're not going to receive in stations. Conditions will change, and all of a sudden, boom, the band's open and busy. So, no, shortwave is not dead. There is plenty. These are all English programs. Some out of Nashville, Tennessee, some out of Voice America, throughout the world. Radio Habana, broadcasting in English, WBCQ. I mean, just goes on and on and on and on and on. I mean, I guess there are duplicates because this also shows like a station will be doing multiple broadcasts in the time frame that I've selected. So that's why there's multiple listings. So it does appear like there's a lot more, but you can tell from this map there are a lot. So I think the people that are saying there's no stations to listen on shortwave, I think they're wrong. It is more difficult now, but it will improve. Matter of fact, we should be at the very bottom in the toilet, which means we can only go up. So anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.